morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Vaman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about simple interest, chapter 12, simple interest. In simple interest, some important term. First is principal. First term is principal. Principal. The abbreviation of principal is P. The money which is borrowed. The money which is borrowed is called principal of sum. Second term is interest. Simple interest. Simple interest. Abbreviation of simple interest is SI. The additional money paid by borrower after definite time with principal is called simple interest. Second, rate. Rate, symbol of rate is R% per annum. Rate, the interest of 100 rupees in 1 year is called the rate of principal. Second term. Fourth term is time. Total loan period is called time. The symbol of time is T. Fifth term is amount. Symbol of amount is A. Some formula. Important formula. First formula is ASI. First formula is ASI. Simple interest. P is principal into R is rate into T is time. P into R into T by 100. Formula number 2. A equal to P plus SI. Formula number 3. P equal to A minus SI. And formula number 4. ASI equal to A minus P. ASI equal to A minus P. Formula number 5. P equal to ASI into 100 by R into T. Formula number 6. R equal to ASI into 100 by P into T. Formula number 7. T equal to ASI into 100, ASI into 100 by P into R. Understand? Write and remember. Students, after remember important formula of simple interest, solve some important examples. First example is example 1. Find the simple interest on rupees 2,500 for 2 years 6 months at 6% per annum. Also find the amount. Here given, first write which is given. So principal equal to rupees 2,500. Now time equal to 2 years 6 months. So 2 years 6 months means equal to 2 whole months change into year. So month divided by 12. 6 divided by 12 years. 6 to the 12 equal to 2 whole 1 by 2 years. That means 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 by 2 years. Next, rate equal to 6% per annum. Now find first of all simple interest. So ASI equal to formula number first P into R into T by 100. So P is rupees 2,500 into R 6 into T 5 by 2, 5 numerator and 2 denominator, 2 into 100. Double zero to double zero cancel. 2 3 are 6. Now 25. 25 5 ja 25 5 ja 125. 125 into 3. 125 into 3. So rupees 375. One answer. And second answer is find. Also find amount. So A equal to P plus ASI. P is rupees 2,500 plus rupees 375 equal to add it 0 plus 5 5, 0 plus 7 7 and 5 plus 3 8 and 2 rupees 2,875. This will be the answer of this question. Understand and write it. Students, next question is example 3. Find the simple interest on rupees 4,500 at 8% per annum for 73 days. Also find the amount. First of all, write which are given. So given principal equal to rupees 4,500. 8% is rate. 8% per annum. Time T. T is in the form of days. 73 days. Days change into year. So it is divided by 365 because 1 year equal to 365 days. 365. Now it's changed into year. 73 5 ja. Remember some table. 73 5 ja 365. 73 2 ja 146. 73 3 ja 219. So 1 by 5 year. 5 year. Now find first of all SI. SI equal to P into R into T by 100 equal to P rupees 4,500 into R 8 into T 1 by 5 into 100 divided by 100. So 00 to 00 cancel. 5 9 ja 45 and 9 8 ja 72. 9 8 ja 72. Simple interest is 72 rupees. Now find A equal to P plus SI equal to rupees 4,500 plus rupees 72 equal to 4,572 will be the answer of this question. So understand and write it. Students, next important question is example 7. At what percent per annum? At what percent per annum simple interest will a sum travel means 3 times itself in 16 years. Students, we have to find here rate and given per annum simple interest will a sum travel itself in 16 years. So let P equal to rupees X. Let P equal to rupees X. At what percent per annum simple interest will a sum travel itself? A equal to rupees 3x. So SI equal to A minus P equal to rupees 3x minus rupees x equal to rupees 2x. Rupees 2x. Now giving T equal to 16 years. 16 years. So find R equal to SI into 100 by P into T equal to SI 2x into 100 by P x into T 16. X to x cancel. 2 8 ja 16. 2 4 ja 8 and 25 4 ja 100. So 25 by 2%. That means 12.5% per annum answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question. Next question is question number 8. It is important question. Simple interest on a certain sum. Simple interest on a certain sum is 16 by 25 of the sum. Find the rate percent and the time if both are numerically equal. Here let P equal to rupees X. Let P equal to rupees X. So SI equal to rupees 16 by 25 of the sum. So 16x by 25. Again P equal to rupees X, R equal to R percent, T equal to R. Given both are numerically equal. So find again SI. SI equal to P into R into T by 100 equal to P is X into R, T is also R by 100 equal to X R square by 100. Both have simple interest. So according to question, X R square by 100 equal to 16x by 25. That implies R square equal to 16x by 25 into x by 100 by transposition change into 100 by x. So x to x cancel. 25 for the 100. 16 for the 64. That implies R equal to a square by transposition change into a square root under root 64 equal to 8% per annum and T equal to R equal to 8 years. Students, today your homework is solve examples of exercise 12A. Thank you. That's all.